Here is the area of concentration for you. If you are writing JAMB, use of English. If you are writing UTME, use of English. Here is your area of concentration. Use of English is divided into 3 sections. Section A is comprehension and summary, as you can see. Section B is lessons and structure. Section C is oral forms. So the areas you need to focus on is in each of the sections. Section A, we have comprehension and summary. So JAMB will direct you on description, narration, exposition, argumentation, and persuasion. Each of the 3 passages to be set, one will be a closed text, should reflect various disciplines and be about 200 words long. Look at what they explain. They will give you a passage and they will expect you to identify main topics, sentence in the passage, identify implied meaning, identify the grammatical function of words, phrases, clauses, figurative, idiomatic expression, deduce and infer the writer's intention, including mood, attitude of the subject matter, and opinion. So they will test your comprehension of the passage, comprehension of words, and all the rest. On the approved test, on this in this particular one, the approved test is the Life Changer by Khadija Abubakar Jali. If it is not the approved test is that booklet they give you. If it is not, then it has to be that particular booklet for that year you are reading on. Then series of ideas from the passage. But beyond the booklet, they will ask you questions on lessons and structure. In lessons and structure, it involves synonyms, antonyms, clauses and sentence patterns, word clauses and their functions, mood, tense, aspect, number, agreement, concord, all these things, mechanics, ordinary usage, figurative usage, and idiomatic usage. So under lesson and structure, you will need to know synonyms, antonyms, that is words opposite in meaning, words similar in meaning, the words that best fills the gap. Then they will also need you, the third part is oral forms, oral studies, oral English. Before we go into oral forms and before I show you the videos we have in our channel that will help you, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Subscribe so that you will be able to get notifications whenever we post videos, because we'll be posting videos and we have been posting videos on these areas. And we have also posted videos on solving past questions, JAMB past questions that will help you. So subscribe now. Plus, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel right now, go to the comment section and tell me that you have subscribed. I will send you this topics I'm reading from, this PDF format. I will send it to you as a PDF so that you can look at them on your own. So go ahead and subscribe. Then come to the comment, tell me that you have subscribed. Then I will send you this material so that you can look at them on your own closely and find out all the details you need. Then apart from lessons and structure, in the oral form, they need you to know vowels. Under vowels, we need monotongues, diphthongs, triphthongs, then consonants, including clusters, rhymes, including homophones, word stress, monosyllabic and polysyllabic words, then emphatic stress in connected speech. So these are the 3 main areas. So like I said, basically it is about comprehension and summary. That booklet you are given when you register for JAMB, then lessons and structure, then oral forms. Subscribe to the channel, then go to the comment section, tell me that you have subscribed, and I will send you this material so that you can look at it. I wish you good luck. Remember to look at the videos we have done in our channel. Look at this video on oral English right now.